What's going on, guys? My name is Will and this is Will's Journeys. Welcome back to another video. We're starting off this year a bit late. Today's Saturday, 25th January, and I haven't posted maybe since November, December. I gave myself a bit of a break through the holidays, where I just kind of wanted to kick back and relax for a while, enjoy the holidays, but we are back. We are making videos again. Tonight we're going to go to a special event called the Tuned Annual Car Meets. Now, Tuned hosts really big car meets at the Sydney Motorsport Park, and we're going to give you the full deep dive into what Sydney or Australia, can't really say Australia, but more what Sydney car meets, car shows and events are like. There will be music, there will be raffles, shows, stores, and there will also be live drifting action. So pretty exciting. It's going to be a long night. I'll take you guys with me. But yeah, it's been a pretty hectic end of the year and start of January, and I was super busy on trying to figure out which direction the business should go and what we're going to do. So since everything has settled down quite a bit at the end of January, and it is going to be Chinese New Year soon. Well, people are already celebrating Chinese New Year, and Australia Day's coming up, so we're a bit kicked back and relaxed for the moment. So I really had time to think about what I wanted to do for the YouTube channel and what we're gonna do for content wise. Because realistically, like YouTube, I never had an aim to grow a YouTube channel, and it was always kind of on the back of my mind about it. But since I do have the time, I can put a little bit of focus onto the channel, onto the videos for you guys. To be honest, I kind of miss making videos, the joy and the editing and, you know, me talking in front of camera. It's like I'm talking to myself and I'm just thinking out loud, and I'm pretty sure that's how most people think when they make these videos. It's like, oh dude, you're just talking to yourself, and you know, like I'm happy making conversations by myself, but in reality it's a little different. It's like me trying to like just talk my thoughts into reality, which I am rambling on again. So probably from this video onwards, I will stop the vlog series and it will just be about really random certain topics that I like to talk about and I like to showcase, and hopefully this will motivate me to, you know, kind of leave the city and the shop a bit more and do certain topics. And to be honest, I didn't really want the channel to be about just the shop only. It was more like the day-to-day stuff. It was more about how I would, you know, do this or do that, how I do the sales, how I'm gonna find products to, you know, bring on products, just little topics where it's just not every video, hey, day in the life, this is what I do, blah blah blah, you know what I mean. Event starts at about 6:30, so we're gonna grab a quick bite and head on over. Gonna meet the missus and head on over. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit.
I got the time today. I'm looking for all of the fades, want all of the smoke, all of my goals inside of the scope. I'm taking the hill and coming for more. Woke up, didn't even stretch. I'm placing my bets on myself. I be doing the most. Why you always think like you wanted to go? I ain't gotta speak cause I already know. You say you know to me, you know to me. I know I'm harmony. Jewelry, of course you don't wanna fool with me. I got
Let's find the best one, yeah.
I got everything to gain and none to lose, and he can go. Let's burn it, yo, cause like moves when I hit the moves. You can't tell me anything. I mean anything. That's for sure. swaggy, that's how I roll. On another level, on another level, on another one above me. Stepping through the crowd, yeah, I'm feeling so supreme. Feeling so supreme. On another level, on another one above me. Stepping through the crowd, yeah, I'm feeling so supreme. Cream. On another level, on another level, on another one above me. Stepping through the crowd, yeah, I'm feeling so supreme.
Bring that ass back like a boom boom. Bring that ass back like a boom 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 boom. Never gave up.
Yeah. Iced coffee, hot chocolate. Okay, so we had Taronga Zoo. Yesterday's car meet was not bad, not great. Drifting was fun. And today, Australia Day, spending the day at Taronga Zoo.
It's not Australia Day.
It's not. First, breakfast, gotta eat a pie. Ice latte. See you in a bit. Alright, so apparently we're gonna go find some King Julian's.
Oh, sick boy. Look this.
King Julian's. So what do you call them when there's like 3 of them? They can't all be kings.
Says who? Whoa,
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
grooming.
Grooming each other. Wow.
The heads are really going at it, eh?
Such friends. Okay. We'll bring that one back. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. It was a pleasure to make once again. Car meet tuned. Shout out to you guys. Excellent car meet. Awesome drifting. Some nice cars. Taronga Zoo. Yeah, every time I go back, something's new there, and we always end up spending a bunch of money over there on stuff, on food, especially drinks. We originally wanted to do a quick encounter with capybaras, which you don't know what a capybara is capybaras? Yeah, they're big freaking rodents, right? Big rats, basically, and they're like the size of dogs. But either way, we wanted to have an encounter. I was gonna bring the action camera and then get a close up of it for you, but when we got there at 9:30, 9:20-ish, they were already sold out. And they're always like the first ones to get sold out. So it'll have to be a next time. But thank you guys for watching and supporting the channel. I know it's been a while since I made a video. If you made it this far, please leave a like, subscribe, follow, comment, whatever it is. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace!